Hello guys, welcome back to Catastrophe. So today we are draw this simple exercise in SolidWorks 2023. So first of all go to new and select part. OK. And now go to sketch and from sketch select top plane and make a center rectangle from origin. Now give its dimensions, which is length is 130 mm and breadth is 75 mm. Okay, now go to feature, extrude and extrude it up to 15 mm. Okay, now select this face, go to sketch and make a corner rectangle from this corner to this line. Okay, now give its dimensions, which is this is 15 mm. Okay, now go to feature, extrude and here extrude it up to 42 mm in one direction and another direction give 33 mm. Okay, now go to this upper face, sketch and here select one center line, make a center line, again select line command. Sorry, you can also select corner rectangle and make a rectangle like this. Okay, and now give its dimensions. Rectangle dimension is 12 mm and from center its distance is 10 mm and this length is, let's say, 15 mm. Okay, now mirror this, select all and mirror entity. Okay, here one line missing, so we take one line and make one lines. Okay, fine. Now again go to feature, extrude and extrude these two in reverse direction 75 mm. Okay, see, now again select right plane, sketch and make one line from here to here. Okay, now give some relations, this line and this point make relations pairs. Same here, select this line and this point make relations pairs. See, drawing is fully defined. Now go to rib command and rib thickness is 12 mm both side. Okay, see, our rib is completed. Now last thing remain is 4 holes. So select this face, sketch, make one circle here and another one is here and make these two equals. Okay, now give one dimension, this is 16 mm and from here to here it is just its distance is from here to here 15 mm, and this side also 15 mm. Okay, here to here it is also 15 mm, and this horizontal distance also 15 mm. Okay, now go to feature, extrude cut, and you can choose either blind or through all, it's up to you. Okay, see our two holes is ready. Remain two holes are here, so select this space, sketch, select a circle, make one circle here, another circle is here, and make these two circle also equal. Okay, now give dimensions. This circle dimension is 10 mm diameter. Now from this origin to this line is 30 mm, and here to here it is 20 mm. Similarly from here to here it is 30 mm, again here to here 15 mm. Okay, and now go to again feature and extrude cut, cut through all. Okay, see our drawing is ready, and you can see plain white, so visible better. So thank you guys. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.